Tema Metropolitan Assembly, in collaboration with the Tema Regional Office of the Ghana Tourism Authority, has planted about 250 coconut seedlings along the beaches in Tema. The exercise forms part of the Assembly's plans to beautify the metropolis.
The tree planting exercise was to commemorate World Tourism Day. Staff of the Tema Regional Office of the Ghana Tourism Authority, the Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority, and the Tema Traditional Council took part in the exercise. About 200 coconut seedlings were planted along the streets and beaches in Tema Manhia. The coconut seedlings will be monitored by the Tema Manhia Traditional Council. The Member of Parliament for Tema East, Mr. Titus Glover, called on the residents to support efforts to keep Tema clean. World Tourism Day is marked in September each year to raise awareness on the contributions of tourism to sustainable development.